Sometimes we get amazing videos that we want to use on our shop or our social media handle, but then this video is not in English and we're trying to drop ship in English. I'm going to show you exactly how you can simply translate a video, right, from a language to English and then reuse the video. For example, let's say we're trying to sell something. I don't know what this person is trying to sell. This is like an app, okay, but I just wanted to just have an idea of it. Now, this video is all in Chinese, right? I think that's what's, or Japan, or I don't know what language this is, but all right. So you don't listen, you don't hear this, right? So we're going to try, okay, we're going to try to use PP ads, then translate what the person is saying, all right? So you can simply just click on this. First of all, you have to, sign up with them. Click on the first link in the description to get access to PP ads. You get 20% discount if you use that link. Okay, so you come on here and just click on AI tools. You come down and click video speech translator. So click on it and then you come on here and then you just simply click pause and then add the video you downloaded. Okay, wait for it to do its thing. All right, and then you could click on start here. Now the cost for all of this is 1 credit. Okay, now click on start. And then now if you want to get PP ads and you don't know how PP ads work, I will make more videos in the future on how you can simply use PP ads to better your dropshipping game or your e-commerce game, because they have a lot of things in store for you so that you could easily make your business profitable one, right? This video speech translator is one of them. Many products we see usually have different words. We don't, because sometimes when you drop ship, you don't have access to the product you're drop shipping. The video of it, and you see a video online and the video is in Chinese and other languages, and you want to try and adjust it. This is exactly what you do. Use the video speech translator, right? So we'll be coming back to this to see how this works in a bit. I'm going to pause the video now and replay it when the translator is done. All right, so let's see what the job is done so far.
No way.
Okay, so it's translating this too. So let's pause this and start this and play. Okay, and just play this. Now, it's not very accurate because I'm not sure.
Get these 3 cars of mine.
Okay, as you can see. So let's pause that. Now it's speaking in English, right? But I probably did not get the detection right, this one here. Okay, so the question now is, how do I detect what language this original video is in? That's where the problem is. So is it Japanese, is it Korean, whatever it is? I'm not sure what this is, right? So once you get this, if you can and really get what language this is, it's easy to detect it here and then translate to English. But there's something I want you to see, which is also very amazing. If you scroll down, you see voices, right? So you could use whatever voice you want to use. A male voice, a female voice, whatever you want. So let's say, for example, want a female voice. Let's play to see how it sounds. Wait for it to Christine.
The best advice for young people is to make them modest and prudent, honor their parents, and love their relatives.
Good. So you could change the voice you want it to, what you want to sound here in the translated video, right? Very awesome, very good tool to have. You can also decide to mute the original video or keep the background sound, keep non-voice parts. Okay, so let's say you like the background sound, but you don't like the voice. You could decide to mute the original video and then keep the sound going on. And let's say there are top subtitles up there. All you do is just click on which of the subtitle style you want, the TikTok style, like this two, or you want other styles which you want. You could do that. Then you want the font size. What kind of font size do you want? You want something a bit big, medium, or small. So this is exactly how you translate a video from a language to another language. It's very easy to do. All you need to do is first thing first is click on the link in the description and then come on here, sign up, then you get access to all of the amazing feature. For example, I'm in the, see how many credits I have. So I'm using an advanced plan here, but you could start off with whatever with the beginner plan and work your way through it. If you want to know how PP ads work, this is the channel for you. If you want to know how to drop ship, you need creative for your drop ship, you need to run ads for your drop ship business or your e-commerce business, this is the channel for you. Subscribe to the channel, click on the bell button, share this video with anybody who thinks this might help. Let us know in the comment section what you think about this video, because this is Cash by T-Taz. We want to help you make money and make money in the easiest way, doing the fun things you like doing. Thank you for watching this video once more, and I hope to see you in the next video, which talks about how to fully start a dropshipping business from 0 to 100. Please watch this next video.